Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube stream key. So this can be useful if you're trying to live stream to YouTube from external software such as OBS, Streamlabs OBS, anything like that. You'll need your stream key. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to find your YouTube stream key. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply open up the studio, which is where you go on YouTube to edit your videos, see your stats, things like that. So just go to studio.youtube.com and log into your account. Check the description below if you get lost. I'll have all the links and a detailed write-up down there in case you get lost. Once you get to YouTube Studio, simply go in the top right where you see this kind of broadcast, go live button and select that. This will bring you to YouTube Live Control Room, and this is where we can get our stream key. So if you see this screen right here, you want to select Right Now, so select Start next to Right Now. And then at the bottom, you want to select Streaming Software, so select Go. If you don't see that screen, simply hit the top option in the left sidebar for Stream. As you can see here, we now have some settings for our live stream on YouTube. In the menu below where it says streaming settings, make sure that's selected. And then right here, you will see stream key. To copy your stream key, you just need to select the copy button right here, and then it will be saved to your clipboard. Now keep in mind, if for some reason your stream key is public and people find out about it, they can stream on your channel. So if that ever happens, just come back here and select reset. So once you select copy, you can then go into OBS or Streamlabs OBS and paste that in, and then you'll be able to live stream to YouTube. All right, so that's how you find your YouTube stream key. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.